Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about the benefits of starting your day with a special drink. Imagine waking up and preparing a glass of water with a powerful combination of beneficial ingredients: collagen, apple cider vinegar, freshly squeezed lemon, omega-3, ashwagandha, and vitamins. Let's discover together the advantages of this morning drink. Water is essential for our bodies. After a night of sleep, our body is dehydrated and needs water to reactivate its functions. Drinking water upon waking helps to rehydrate our body, stimulate our metabolism, eliminate toxins accumulated during the night. Let's see the benefits of collagen. Collagen is an essential protein for the health of our skin, hair, nails, and joints. Improves skin elasticity and firmness. Strengthen nails and hair. Support joint and bone health. Then the benefits of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is renowned for its numerous virtues. Consuming it in the morning can aid digestion, regulate blood sugar levels, promote weight loss, and strengthen the immune system thanks to its antimicrobial properties. Now the benefits of freshly squeezed lemon. Lemon is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. Adding lemon juice to your morning water can boost your immune system, improve digestion, promote glowing skin, and help balance your body's pH. Next, the benefits of omega-3. Omega-3 are essential fatty acids for brain and heart health. Integrating them into your morning routine can improve heart health, support brain and cognitive function, and reduce inflammation in the body. Let's see the benefits of ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is an adaptogenic herb known for its calming and energizing effects. Taking ashwagandha in the morning can reduce stress and anxiety, increase energy and endurance, and improve sleep quality. And the last one, the benefits of vitamins. Vitamins are essential for the proper functioning of our bodies. Supplementing with vitamins in the morning can strengthen the immune system, improve skin, hair, and nail health, support metabolic and energy functions, and a lot more. So, there you have it. You now know the numerous benefits of this morning drink. By combining water with collagen, apple cider vinegar, freshly squeezed lemon, omega-3, ashwagandha, and vitamins, you're giving your body a true wellness cocktail to start the day right. Try this drink and observe the positive changes in your health. Thank you for listening, and see you soon for more health tips.